Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Printful for print on demand, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Printful website at www.printful.com. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be presented with options to sign up using your email or a social media account. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address and create a secure password. Read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy by checking the box provided. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. If you opt for social media sign up, select the appropriate social media icon. Follow the prompts to authorize Printful to access your account information. Once you're registered, you may need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Printful. Open the email and click on the verification link. After verifying, return to the Printful website and log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to your Printful dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To set up your store, click on the Stores tab in the dashboard. Follow the instructions to connect your online store. You can integrate platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. Fill in any necessary information to link your store with Printful. Once connected, explore the product catalog on the site. Choose products you want to sell and customize them to your liking. Upload your designs using the product creation tools. Set your pricing and product descriptions for each item. Make sure to review the mockups generated for your products. Finally, ensure your store settings are configured, including shipping and payment information. You're now ready to start selling with Printful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.